What is going on, guys? It's your boy RF and you're watching RF Tech and More. Today I'll be exactly telling you how I made myself a streaming deck. So let's get started. In this project, I have used 12 push buttons and 2 linear potentiometers, and of course the Arduino Pro Micro, which has the HID capabilities. All push buttons and ports are arranged in a specific manner. Ports control the two default input volume in OBS, which is the volume and the desktop sound. Rest push buttons are the shortcut to specific tasks like toggling mute, changing scenes, toggling studio mode, etc. You may think that this looks bad and some of you may say great first start kid. So let me tell you that this project was not planned to be showcased at all to anyone. It was just for me as I needed one so badly because the Elgato Stream Deck is too much expensive and it does not make sense in my opinion. So I just made myself this streaming deck. To set up it in OBS, you need a custom OBS which has MIDI controls in it. Basically, it's a plugin. However, if you do not understand how I managed to do that, I will post a video link down in the description so that you can also do that very free. This is the schematic to this project and the code is available in the description. So guys, thanks for sticking around in this video. Like this video if you liked it. Share this with your friends and family. Subscribe and comment what should I make next. Peace.